Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing some new computer hardware. What we have to unbox today is the ARTEMIS K719 Pro anime keyboard. This is from Redragon. Love these guys. I've gotten some other keyboards from them in the past, and I got some more to show you. So what we have here is the ARTEMIS anime keyboard. Show you the front, the back, and we'll get straight into the unboxing. I'm going to try to keep these short. I do have more videos for the keyboards on my YouTube page, so definitely check them out. But we're just going to be reviewing one after another. The unveiling here. Now the cool thing about this keyboard is all the keys have like a special font on them. Very visible, easy to read. The only thing that might set someone off is on the anime images here. You don't know unless you know that this is going to be your caps lock and this is going to be your tab key. It doesn't actually say that on the key itself, but overall everything else is on there as it should be. I like that the arrow keys have like little daggers or swords, what have you. It's just a really neat looking keyboard. It's all RGB lit up underneath the keys. It does have a dial here, so you can adjust the volume of your speakers or make adjustments to the brightness of the RGB. Very universal, and it has a little LCD display right there, so we'll get this plugged in and try it out. It does offer the same software that Redragon supplies with all their other RGB keyboards, so you can customize the layout of the keys. If you want something specific like your WASD keys to be lit up as a different color than the rest of the keys, you're able to do that with the software. Now, I do have a video where I demonstrate the software, and if you want to check that out, I'll have a link to it in the description below. But let's get this thing plugged in and actually try it out. While I'm getting this keyboard set up, I do want to show you it also comes with 4 replacement key knobs. This is a mechanical keyboard, so if you need to swap those out, you're able to do so. We got your key changer tool and the standard USB-C cable for getting it connected. Now the thing with this one is it does have the L bracket to it, so you're able to kind of hide it a little bit better, I guess. Plug it right to the back of the keyboard and get it going. So I'm going to get the keyboard connected to my existing cable I have connected because I don't want to get back there and adjust all the wiring, and we'll take a look at what the keyboard looks like. Alright, so I got the keyboard set up. I do see why it would have the L-shaped USB plug-in, because it actually plugs into the side here. Now, I'm using my existing cable, but I would swap it out if I do continue to use this specific one, just because I want it all nice and neat to the keyboard itself. It does have 3 different modes to it. You can do Bluetooth, a wireless USB dongle, which is on the side here, or the wired method. I'm keeping it wired, and I do have it on. You'll notice right away that these keys are lit up, and this is a preset gaming mode. If you want to change this, all you have to do is hit that function key and backspace. This lights up on the side here to show you can set the keys a different color or turn them off. You just dial them in. So I got my WASD set as red. I set my arrow keys as green. Now let's say we want to set the other colors on the number pad keys, or sorry, the number bar crossed. I want these to all be purple. You just set it as you go. Obviously, you can set this up with the software on your PC as well, but this is just nice that if you need to set some keys real quick and just want to dial them in, you're able to do so. When you want to save it, you just hold down function and the backspace, and that goes solid. I also wanted to notate that this dial here does adjust the speaker volume. I'm not sure what I'm playing on the computer right now, but all right, playing some Zillakami just like a normal dad would. Anyway, this is the keyboard here. There is a variety of different lighting functions you can use by just holding that function and arrow keys. But I believe the way it's set up right now, I am locked into the gaming mode. So if I want to adjust that, I'm able to do so on the PC. I just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea that you can set this up through the keyboard itself or on your computer with the software. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do want to pick up one of these keyboards for yourselves, then take a look at the description below. We will have it linked there for you, and it will have the affiliate link because this is a company I decided to partner up with because I love their products. They haven't let me down with the other products I've showcased, and I just tend to go to them for my PC needs. So take a look at that. If you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.